Hi everyone, welcome into today's video. So today is one of the objects that we actually had on the series that we released of objects we weren't going to share about anomalies. Now this one's a digi-free. You can see it's got a rigid tether, which is not normal. This one's got a zero tumble, and we tracked this one for some time, but I've shortened it down. It actually went out of my line of sight for 3 seconds, and once I got it back into sight, this is what it looked like. So it looked like it had morphed, or you could say it burst. Tether is no longer on this object. I've tried to pause a few frames, can't see it. So we have motion tracked the footage here and zoomed in as well. I've had a little bit of contrast to make the object stand out, and as you can see, it's rotating, it's moving almost like it's alive. And the funny thing about this is, unfortunately, I didn't get the IR footage again, but it did carry on the same flight path that it was originally on. Now, I would expect it, if it was a balloon, to pop or burst or whatever, for it to fall down to from the atmosphere and just fall down to the ground, because there's no helium or air inside that object anymore. But no, it just carried on the same flight path for the remaining amount of footage I managed to grab, which is, again, it just travelled off into the horizon. Yeah, so here is the object again. That's just been motion tracked. I haven't zoomed it in so you can see the distance. We are recording with the P1100 at 125 optical zoom. We've got some interesting footage coming up shortly, so yeah, so just something cool to look at. I hope everyone's doing well, and we'll see you all shortly in the next video. Peace.